This is called a tungsten carbide turning insert, and it's nothing like an ordinary blade. It is made from tungsten carbide, which is several times harder than steel. That's why it can cut through rotating metal with ease. In its manufacturing process, it starts as carbide powder, which is then pressed and put through a sintering process, turning it into a solid, rock-like, ultra-hard material. Next, its edge is sharpened using a diamond grinder. And finally, it is coated with titanium nitride, TiN, giving it a golden finish. This coating makes it smoother, more durable, and capable of withstanding high temperatures.